Hello folks, this is Steve A.B. Foyo. I'm out to scout what they've been doing, and we can't get a view of it here, so I need to first of all go across, turn around and come back, so we're aiming back at the intersection. I'll bet I get the light right away. How did I know that? Doesn't look like there's much traffic right at the moment. So what you're seeing is they've scooped away a major part of the embankment. But the thing about the embankment is they can't just pile the dirt up, so they've been trucking it away, presumably to bring it back when they need to fill it back in. And why are they doing this? Because they have to get the pipeline down to road and curb level. It's coming up from the gully just beyond. All right. Now that might very well be one of the trucks that they're using. He doesn't seem to have his lights on to make a turn. He may be waiting. No, he's going to go. Okay. There we go. He's waiting like me for a break in the traffic. Notice they fixed the curbing thing here. Very good. Very good. All right, he's got nothing to... Now, there's a haulage firm down there. So he just came up from there. Okay, we want to look to the right. We want to look to the right. So that we get a view of what it looks like. So the digger pauses. While he's waiting for the truck to come back. The truck is getting ready to go. He's covering his load. You can't see it. I'm assuming he's going to pull out straight onto the highway. I have a guess about where they're probably storing the dirt. He's creeping. He's creeping. Oh. See where he's going. There we go. Here we go. That place on the right was like where they teach for concealed carry. The left turn doesn't surprise me. This is part of the route of the pipeline. That's fiber optic cable. Somebody's mowing their lawn. Should make a right turn. Nothing coming from the left. Now this section says no outlet. Come on, squirrel, get across. This is Williams Road to the right, which is a gravel road. And I can see, I won't go in any further, but they're piling the dirt in there, and I can see it. There's nobody behind me. I can see a big dirt pile down there. So this is a business premises. Gurney Construction, Advancing Water, 4737 Roundleaf Road, Ramseur. We are in Ramseur. See the hook up on the pipe? That's for watering trucks, probably. See that entrance way down there? So this is an industrial property. This is where they're bringing the dirt, at least for now. In other words, they're not. I can see a big dirt pile in there. I'm not going in there, and that's why this road was marked as no outlet, because it dead ends in a commercial property, but it's residential along the way. .4693, I like there. Oh, it's a cemetery. Is that a cemetery? Just to remind us that this dirt gravel road here is Williams Road. So the adventure is, they can't just, because they had to dig out so much. Now we're going to go left, and we're on Roundleaf, and I'm going to be turning onto Pleasant Ridge Church. Ah, there you go. I thought there was a cemetery there. It clearly is associated with the church. Got it. Okay. I won't bore you with the ride back. Steve AB4, I told you, haven't I? I used to work for the Mossad. Yeah, a long time ago, I used to work for the Mossad. I'm a big snooper. Nosey as hell. Steve AB4, Gonna go home and eat lunch, saying see you at 73.